go? Look, here it is. Can you say hi? Hi. You were just talking a lot. Say hi. Can you smile at least? Blakey Poo. Hi. How come you never want to smile for the camera? Huh? Okay. Here's your pacifier. Say hi. Hi. You're gonna be like your brother and just not do anything for the camera. What? Hi, Blake. Say hi. Say hi. Hi, pretty girl. Blake is so pretty. Yes, she is. She's real pretty. Yes. And she got dressed up like a cheerleader for Halloween. Prettiest cheerleader I've ever seen, Blake. Prettiest girl. Can you say something more? I know Mom's, I think we might be going to the bathroom. Say hi. Hi, Blakey Poo. Oh, there's that smile. There it is. Come on. Smile some more. Oh, keep on smiling. Keep on smiling. Oh, man, Blake, you are so pretty. And so smart. Yes. And so many people love you. Yeah, you got a long list of people that love you already. Can you smile one more time? Smile for everybody. Say hello. I'm Blakey Poo. Say hi. Hi. I'm Blakey Poo. Say hi. Yeah, I dressed up last night like a cheerleader. Okay. Say I love you.